Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add a bookmark in Chrome. So you have to go to the Chrome first, then I'm opening a URL here. You have to hold on 1 second. Initiator.com. Okay, this site can't reach, no problem. I'm going another site. This webtrick.com. I'm gonna now bookmark this one. Firstly open that URL or go to that website you want to bookmark, or go to Facebook, anywhere. Now you have to click on this top star icon. You can see here, right, the star icon in the cursor. Click on this star icon and click on done, and you can see here that this one, your bookmark has been created. Okay, if you want to edit the bookmark, you can edit it. Right click and edit one, and you can name anything you want, like this web trick, and you can see bookmark bar or others bookmark. If you choose this one, it will be here, so you have to click on save, and you can see the web trick bookmark has been created. Okay guys, so this is so simple guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.